Hi everyone, Denise again from OT. Last week we tried to do an activity called a Lazy 8, which is a brain gym activity, and unfortunately you couldn't hear me very well because I was outside, so I'm going to redo it again this week and hopefully you can hear what it is that I have to say. The name of the brain gym movement that we're going to do is called Lazy 8. The reason it's called a Lazy 8 is because it's going to be an 8 on its side, a Lazy 8. And the first thing that you do when you do a Lazy 8, I'm going to turn my camera a little bit here, is you start off with the letter X. So right in the middle of my board, I'm going to put a big letter X. Now the important thing is to make sure when you do a Lazy 8 that your nose is in line with the middle of that X. Okay? I don't want you over to one side or the other side. Keep it so that your nose is in line with the middle of the X. And we're going to do this with two hands, and then your left hand, and then your right hand. And what we're going to do is we're going to start at the X with our nose in the middle, and we're going to go up, around, down, up, around, down. I'm going to go nice and slow, and we're going to do this 10 times. Notice my nose is in line with the middle of the X, and I'm starting by using two hands. All right, nice and slow. Again, up, around, down, up, around, down. Once you do that 10 times, nice and slow, using two hands, then you're going to do it with just your left hand. Lining your nose up with the X, we're going to go up, around, down, up, around, down, up. 10 times, nice and slow, and then with our right hand. Okay? I'm not doing it 10 times because I want to show you how to do it. But you're going to do it 10 times, all right? Keeping your nose in line with the center of that X. If you need to put some paper plates down so that you know where to keep your feet, you can remember to keep your feet where they are so that your nose stays in line with that X. You can do this with sidewalk chalk. You can put a big piece of paper on the wall. There's all sorts of ways that you can do your Lazy 8 as long as you keep your nose in line with the middle of that X. This activity, it will help. It will help the left side of your brain and the right side of your brain communicate better. So basically, it's going to help you with crossing the center of your body, with visually looking, tracking left to right like you would if you were reading, visual motor skills. It will help with hand dominance. It will help you perform activities of daily living much easier because you're going to be able to fluidly move from the left side of the body to the right side of the body. So, as always, feel free to email me if you have any questions, but for now, enjoy your Lazy 8s. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.